Hi, can I help you guys?
Sorry?
Are you guys, what are you guys filming?
What are we filming?
Yeah.
It's up in front of your store right now.
Oh, for what?
For what?
For what, yeah.
Video that I'm working on?
Okay, hold on, let me, I don't...
I don't know.
What are you guys up
Yeah,
to?
what are you doing?
Sorry? I can't hear you because of...
What are you guys up to? I haven't given any permission to record.
You haven't given me permission to record what?
Yeah, if you record my face, you need my permission. What? How can
Well, then
I help
what'd you call me for?
Well, you're recording, and you're recording. That
Don't
is
touch... What
disrespectful.
do you... It's not being disrespectful, sticking your hand in somebody's camera.
No, it's my business.
Now, why don't you guys just go back to work? Have a nice day. See you later.
Have a good day. Let's see.
You ever think this might be going somewhere and you might get some good publicity for your store instead of acting like a
I'm
fool?
not asking for that. I'm asking, I would like people come and say, hey, do you mind if we record something?
Nah,
That would be nice.
not with your attitude.
No, I wasn't with my attitude. You start to record without asking.
No, you have a terrible attitude. I'm sure I'm not the first person to tell you that.
No, you are very disrespectful.
Okay. Well,
We can have Scottsdale PD ask you to leave.
excuse me?
We can have Scottsdale PD ask you to leave.
You can have Scottsdale come here and educate you and tell you what a fool you're acting like.
I'm acting like a fool.
Yes,
We just told you to
100%.
stop. We
Did
just
you
told
call
you.
the police?
I'm about to.
Call them.
Yeah,
They'll come
I will.
educate you. Tell you to go back to work.
I am working, you guys kind of...
He's calling 911 because a couple of guys are taking pictures on the sidewalk. You guys are fools. This is good. Maybe my video's about you now.
I'm an Emmy Award-winning journalist. Are you ready to do my work? Emmy Award-winning journalist. I know what you guys are doing.
Okay.
And they're harassing.
If you know what I'm doing, you should have acted right.
They are
Yeah.
outside
When
the
people
store and you're
respectful
actually...
to ask me, hey, can I record?
And you
That's
earn
all.
respect by being disrespectful, you get what you give.
And the man is being...
I asked why you guys are recording.
Yeah.
And you went on me.
And I what?
Went on me in the business and my employee. Are
Oh.
you
Stetson
calling?
Drive,
Yes.
yeah. Carolina Scator.
You guys are funny. You're going to learn something today.
You're the one that's funny. What? Yeah, they're
Yeah.
outside of our business.
Oh, he's learning already. There you go.
Business, though, so...
Oh, there's the teachable moment.
Yes,
Education handed out for free by the police. Do you think I don't know what I'm
please. You guys are
doing?
doing the most.
Harassment is illegal.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, Susie. I apologize.
Yeah, sorry, Susie. Sorry she acted rude and ruined the whole experience for
You
herself.
ruined my moment with my client.
Oh, well, you shouldn't be acting like a fool in front of your clients. Sorry. You should have came out. You should have been friendly. Should have been nice. I would have been nice and friendly with you, and that would have been the end of it.
40s, 50s with a beard.
You're being silly.
Yeah, around that.
Nobody's harassing anybody. I got harassed. Yep.
Still harassing.
They are right in front of the store filming.
Okay.
Can't even leave the store.
Yeah.
And there's a client in here, too. that
It's
they're
a
making
client
too
here.
Oh, there's a client. Uh-oh.
much.
There's a client.
C-A-C-H-A-R-Y.
You guys are silly. So the cops coming? They're on the way?
Yeah.
Should I wait for them?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be right here. You can get educated. All right. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you? Good.
I am asking the gentleman to stop recording us because I don't feel comfortable being on camera and my client haven't been able to leave the store because she doesn't want to leave.
Who are they?
We have no idea.
I don't know. They have been there. I'm recording there too to prove everything they have been saying to us. So everything is recorded there. So my client haven't been able to leave. They said they can do that because they're
Sorry?
outside.
Put that down. You're going to talk to me.
I'm not going to put my camera down.
You can put your camera down. It'll still record.
I'm
and
not putting my
recording.
camera down. What is the issue?
The issue
Let's start with that. My name is Jason. How are you?
I'm fine, Jason.
And who you are?
I'm Officer Shep.
Nice to meet you, Officer Shep.
Uh-huh.
Why don't we have a cordial conversation and de-escalate a little bit here?
Well, we
You got
tried
a
that.
one-sided store. You haven't spoken to me yet.
No, I have a patron who cannot leave the store
No,
because
she
she
chooses
doesn't
not to
want
leave
to
the
be
store.
on your camera, and you're
That's-
refusing to put the camera down so that we can have a cordial conversation.
I don't need to put my. You're not going to put your camera down anyway.
I
let's-
don't get to,
Let's
but
have. Neither
nice
do
try.
I. Neither do I. Nice try. So let's have the cordial conversation. I'm out on a public sidewalk taking some video, and this woman wants me to stop videoing the public sidewalk so her client can leave.
she doesn't want you to video her store. That's
She doesn't-
private property,
No,
not
it's
a
not.
public sidewalk.
Do you really believe that?
That her store is hers? Yes, I do.
That I can't film it from the sidewalk?
I didn't say that. I said she doesn't want
Let's cut
her
through the chase.
store
Let's cut through the
filmed.
chase. I know the law better than you do.
Oh,
and I'm not
good.
putting my
You're
camera
one of
away.
those.
So what are you going to do about it?
Why are you here?
I'm filming the sidewalk.
What? The sidewalk is
I'm
this
filming
way.
people walking. I can film anything my eyes can see. You know the deal. You know the story, so don't go there.
Well, you already insulted me and said I don't, but
No, I didn't
I'm
say you don't. I said I know the law
asking
better
why
than you.
You're filming the store.
Because I'm filming people. I'm going from one business. Not that I owe you an explanation,
You
but I'm going to
do.
give you. No, I don't.
You
oh, well,
do,
now I'm not
because
going to
you're
give you one.
in front of a private business.
Doesn't matter.
Blocking the entry and
No,
exit.
I was standing right over here. Nobody's blocking any entrances. Don't try that
now
nonsense.
that you've moved.
I walked up there to talk to you. Let's not start playing games. Everything I do is on cameras.
Okay.
Nice try.
So you're not going to tell me why you're here.
I told you why I'm here.
No, you said you're filming the sidewalk.
I'm making a video.
That's not the sidewalk.
I can film anything I want. I can film. I'm filming you. I can film inside the store.
Yeah,
I can't.
I gathered.
I can't go into her store unless she invites me in.
You know,
Okay,
in respect
I'm
to
just
police,
asking
what can I
you
expect from
why
that?
you're filming her store. It's making
Because
her
that's what I feel
uncomfortable.
like doing.
So you're just instigating.
No,
things
not
for
at
the
all.
public.
I've been out here for hours, going store to store, 5-10 minutes in
Okay.
front of each store.
So you've been here for hours filming 5 to 10 minutes at each store.
That's
So
correct.
you have quite a bit of footage of the stores. But because somebody asked you to leave, now you have to what? Harass her?
I wasn't harassing her. I stayed here because she called you. I would have been gone already.
Feel free to go.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
Okay,
Goodbye.
so I'm free to stay.
No.
Sure I am.
Okay. 306. Start either 363 or 464.
And a matter of fact, I'll take a supervisor. I'd like to speak to your sergeant.
Oh, I bet you would.
Yeah, I
He's on
would.
his way.
Good.
Here's everything that I have been said.
What's your name? You are going to give it to me
For what?
because we're investigating a crime.
I'm me standing on the sidewalk. I haven't
That's
said a
what-
word the whole time. I'm
That's
standing.
what you say.
Okay. Well,
Jason,
please
what's
continue.
your last
You
name?
said your supervisor's on the way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to wait and speak with him.
No.
Yeah.
You seem real confused about
I'm really
the
not
fact
confused.
that we were called here for a reason
You were called here for somebody taking video on a public sidewalk.
of a private business
Doesn't
and
matter.
preventing someone who doesn't want
I'm
to
not
be on
stopping anybody
camera
from leaving.
to leave.
Do you think that's legal? What statute would I be violating if
You're
that's the case?
causing a disturbance at this
No,
business.
I'm really not. She caused her own disturbance.
The patron caused her own
No,
disturbance
the
by
owner of the
shopping in
shop.
store.
The owner of the shop
The patron.
decided. No, the owner of
The
the shop.
patron is inside this store who doesn't feel comfortable to leave because you're in a pissing match with this owner.
I'm not in a pissing match. I stayed here waiting for you because she told me she called you. What do you want me to do? Run away and leave so you can go look for me? I'm not running anywhere.
Well,
I
don't-
stayed here, waited for you.
to be combative and not provide
No,
any information.
You came out
Why?
with an attitude, and I told you what I'm doing. And I asked you if you wanted to de-escalate, calm down, and have a cordial conversation. You don't want to do that.
I
You want to
told you
bark
I already did
unlawful
that.
orders at me and tell me to do things
Oh,
I don't have
okay.
to do.
Right. Got
Right.
it.
And you just told me I was free to go. So
Yeah,
you're
you're
not,
refusing to
you're not
leave.
investigating a crime. I don't have to leave.
You're refusing
I'm on
to
a
leave.
public sidewalk. You can't
Ma'am?
trespass me from a public sidewalk
I didn't
unless
say
I've
you're
broken the law.
trespassed.
Good. Well, why would I have to leave then?
You asked if you could leave.
Right.
I said, yeah.
Right. For the purpose
you
of telling
did.
you, then that means I can stay.
Okay.
Exactly
That's-
right.
That's not, but...
It is. And listen, I'm not trying to
What's
give
your
you a
bar
hard time.
number?
I'm not trying to give you a hard time, okay?
Are you kidding me
But
right
I'm not
now?
standing. I'm not going to stand here.
Are you kidding
I'm not
me?
going to stand here and get my rights violated by somebody who
Are you
doesn't know the
kidding
law.
me?
Are you kidding me?
No. You've
Okay.
insulted us from the moment we got
Nobody's
here.
insulting you.
You're more knowledgeable about everything. You're
Not about
refusing to
everything. No.
identify yourself.
Not about everything.
You're filming a sidewalk.
When it comes
except
to
for
when it
not
comes to the
sidewalk
law, as far as
and
me,
this.
when it comes to the law, as far as me standing on a public sidewalk taking video, I've been doing it for 35 years. I know the law. I also know you're supposed to have your emergency flashes on when you park in the middle of the street.
Oh, me too.
I know a lot of things.
I bet.
So maybe you want to turn them on before your sarge gets here.
Confirming, I need a 3L63 or 4L64 to come to this hall.
And it's really not a big deal. You're going to learn something today.
Copy, thank you.
You can't chase people off a public sidewalk for no reason. It's not the way it works.
Okay. So are you refusing to provide your name?
Do I have a lawful reason to give you my name?
I told you.
Do you
why.
suspect me of a crime?
Yeah.
What crime do you suspect me of?
Well, I'm talking to you, and my partner's talking to them.
So what crime do you suspect me
Disorderly
of?
conduct.
Okay, well, we'll wait and see if your sergeant agrees with that when they
Okay,
get
so
here.
you're refusing to provide your name.
No, I told you I want to speak to your sergeant.
He's on the way.
Okay, so when your sergeant gets here, if your sergeant tells me I lawfully have to give him my name, I will. Him or her, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you're refusing to say anything.
Same thing he said.
Great.
I know the law. I know my rights.
I got it.
All
I
right.
don't need to hear any more about how you know the law.
You don't need to hear about anything. I think you need to be educated on the law, and I think your sergeant's going to do that for you when they get here.
Okay. That sounds good, Jason.
How do you know my name?
You introduced yourself.
There you go. So I gave you my name.
No, you didn't.
You just said I introduced myself.
As Jason.
That's my name.
That's your legal
That's
name.
the name they gave
no
me. Yes,
last
it is.
name, no middle name.
No,
I
not yet.
find that hard to believe. What company do you work for?
I'm not going to answer any questions until your sergeant gets here.
Okay.
And then maybe I still won't, but I probably will, depending
Grab
on
6
their
stars
attitude.
and 30.
You're making a mountain out of a molehill.
Start us a third.
And you really should try to be a little more professional. You're throwing around false accusations. You said I was blocking the door. I'm preventing somebody from leaving. None of that happened.
If you would have let me finish, the patron does not feel comfortable leaving because you won't stop filming the store. There has never been any problem with you filming the sidewalk, with the exception
There's no
of
problem with me filming the store.
you're not filming the sidewalk. So why are
You wanna
you
look
trying
at-
to
you wanna
make
look
her
at my camera?
uncomfortable?
I can film whatever I want from a
That
sidewalk.
wasn't what I said. I told you why we're here. You don't like it.
No.
That's the difference.
No, it's not-
She doesn't
no.
want to leave.
So
and
what's
deal
your
with
story?
this.
You think you said a few minutes ago that I'm doing all this to create a scene?
You are.
So, but now you're saying I don't like it that you're here. So which one is it? If I was trying to create a scene, I'd be happy you're here.
You have created a scene.
No, I really have not. I'm out here minding my own business, taking video on a beautiful day, not bothering a soul. And this woman
Except
wants
for
me
you
to
are bothering a soul.
No.
That is my point.
not lawfully.
Okay.
No,
All right.
not at all.
Yeah, if they don't respect the police,